Yo, got a 2020 TRX 520. I believe this was used for some other videos. But anyways, this thing's got about 6,000 miles. Front brake line on the front right. It had a hole in it. Warning here. And so yeah, looking at it, I'm like, oh yeah, well, this should be pretty easy to replace. Just replace the one side and we're good. Well, Honda makes this all one piece. This guy right here. And the part number. Let's see what we got here. 45127 HR4 A21 front brake hose. I was able to get the old one off without taking the whole front bumper and everything apart. Took both sides off the banjo bolts just by pushing back on these plastic guards on both sides. And nothing taken apart here on the inner. You might want to bend this back and peek in there at times. But everything was done to get the old brake line out through this side. And I did remove a couple screws and push pins to loosen all this flap and everything on this side. But then from here, you're able to zoom in and see it actually mounts on this little mount here. You can get in there with wrenches. I did have to bend this tab here down a little bit to just help with the angle so I could get to everything. And this guy here, a compression fitting for the brake line, again was a pain, but you can get in there with a small wrench, 10mm wrench, and turn it and get it all out. So the fact that all this came out, I mean, I should be able to put the new one in the reverse order. I think ideally you'd want to remove probably the whole front, the bumper, the rack, the radiator, the fan, whole 9 yards, all that. But this appears to be good without taking everything completely apart. So I'll try to get this new one in there and take another snapshot when it's in. Okay, so old brake line laying there on the ground. A new brake line fed in through this side. And it just pushed in just like how I took the old one out. And now you can see, kind of hard to see, but I got that line started. I did all this with my fingers. I got it snugged, not snugged. I have it started. And so with that being said, I should be able to just grab my wrenches. I was using this guy here. It's a cheap old regular size 10mm, and you don't get a lot of room to turn in there, but you turn it, tighten it, and then when that's done, you can put the bolt back through the bracket. This bolt here, again, 10mm head, bolt through the bracket like that, and then everything should be good. So it can be done, not too bad of a job. If I was probably to do this again, I don't know, half hour or something, could whip it out. So not too bad of a job. Just got to get creative when you hit times like this and make the best of what you got. Thanks for watching. Brah!